We'll guide you through how to make a flame transition in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the program is ready, create a new project to start editing and move directly to the Edit tab. Next, import 2 video clips into the media pool so they are available for use in the project. After importing the files, drag the first video clip onto the timeline and place it in the desired starting position. Then drag the second video clip onto the timeline as well, placing it after the first clip. Arrange both clips properly so the transition appears smooth and organized when a viewer watches the sequence. After the clips are positioned correctly, import a flame footage file that will be used to create the transition effect. Take a moment to review the timeline and mark the section where you want the transition to occur between the 2 clips. Once you have identified the correct location, drag the flame footage onto the timeline and place it on a track above the video clips. Position the flame footage exactly between the 2 video clips so it covers the transition point and visually connects the scenes. With the footage in place, switch to the Fusion page to begin removing the unwanted background from the flame element. In Fusion, add a 3D keyer node to the flame footage so you can isolate the fire effect from its background. After adding the node, select the background color of the flame footage using the keying controls. If any unwanted color remains visible around the edges, increase the decibel value to remove any remaining background color and improve the overall appearance of the effect. When the flame transition looks clean and natural, return to the Edit page and preview the transition.